Hello! In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how I created this Santa doll. And yep, it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas, and it's always exciting to have a Christmas crochet. Now I have had all of the pieces done, so let's get started. As always, I'm gonna be starting with the head and the body first. But before we attach them together, I'm going to stuff the body and make sure that it gets inside the legs as well, so that it can stand very well and it doesn't get very soft in the legs. And when it's done and full enough, I'm going to start sewing the body to the head, as the head is already stuffed. So I'm just gonna place it under the head and start sewing it. Sewing's done. Next, I'm going to clean up all of the excess yarns that I've got on the shoes like this and clean everything I can. Now you can see the line I've got here between the hips and the body. This is actually the line for the bottom of the Santa's shirt. So I'm going to get a white yarn and crochet along these lines and start from here. Okay, it will look like this. And now I'm gonna have the hands together and do the same things to the sleeves. But before that, I'm going to make it firm first. So I'm gonna stuff a bit. I'm not gonna stuff till it fulls, but I'm gonna stuff lightly. Okay, now I'm gonna crochet along the line on the sleeves here with all white yarns as well. So let's do it. Now they are so ready to be sewn. As always, before sewing them, I always want to make sure that they are on the right place. So I'm gonna have them and replace them on the body first. And I'm gonna start taking my needle and put the yarn, the tail inside the needle. Then start sewing. Now I'm going to attach the beard when I have finished sewing the hands, the arms together. So in order to attach the beard on its head, I'm going to use hot glue gun and put it behind the beard and inside the inside part of the beard. And after this, I'm going to make sure to place the beard on the right place as I have placed before I attach the beard. Make sure that it's in the middle. Since the glue is still hot, I'm gonna take the nose and also attach the nose using hot glue gun instead of sewing the nose. It's easier than having to using needle to attach the nose on its head. Well done! Now it's time for the eyes. I like my eyes without studs, so it's easier just to stick it without having to depend on the hole on my crochet stitch. As I mentioned, it's always easier to just use hot glue gun and attach as accordingly. Alright, now look at his face, super cute, I cannot help it. And it's bald, oh my god. But now it's time to cover the head already. What is it without Santa hat? So alright, I'm going to clean the tail here using my needle. I'm just going to sew it, and after it's clean enough, I'm going to make a pom-pom for the hat. Oh yes, now I remember the missing part. It's the belt. I forgot to attach it. So basically I have prepared a line of crochet pieces here. So I'm just going to circle it around the hip of the Santa doll. Okay, and I'm just going to sew and attach the back side here. And when it's done, I'm going to have my yellow yarn and make something in the middle of the belt. I don't know what it is, but yeah, something square that we use to secure our belt. But I don't know what's it called, so yep, you'll see it right here. I'm almost done! This is the white yarn to make the pom-pom, and just to shorten the video, I'm not gonna show you the whole process of making the pom-pom. I actually made a video tutorial on how to make a perfect pom-pom, and you can check it out. It's on my channel. So now I just can't wait to finish it and attach the pom-pom to make it a perfect Santa hat. So yeah, that's all everyone. Can you see how perfect it is? How cute it is? Oh my gosh, it's just so perfect to be used as a perfect Christmas gift for the loved ones. And I'm just so happy. I had a lot of fun making this Santa doll. And it's always so amazing being the part of sharing the love, the joy, and the happiness on this holiday season, on this special occasion, which is Christmas. So thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you also enjoy this video, enjoy this process as much as I do. I'll see you on the next chance. Give a thumbs up if you like this video, and bye bye. I'll see you on the next video.